Hello and welcome back to our channel. Hopefully, you all will be fine. Let's start today Guru Militiaman article, quote, "Many Iraqi people, including the Kurds, may not have known in order to clarify part of the secrets of the crisis. Despite Baghdad's efforts to overcome them, what are they talking about? They're giving an excuse why some things didn't happen. They're giving themselves way out, and that way out was something that was secret. What could not be disclosed to them until the last minute. My view on it is that secret, that unknown, is likely going to turn out to be an exchange rate change. Intel Guru Frank, 26 Swandi keeps repeating once security is stabilized and established, and is firmly in place, you are going to see the explosion of your currency new exchange rate. It's many that are helping Sudani return wealth back to Iraq to do this special type of cleaning. For the new exchange rate, took a coordinated effort of many countries. All those countries that have helped bring back millions and trillions that were stolen by the corruption of the past decades. They are all pitching in to help Sudani because they know what's about to happen to your monetary reform. The whole world wants Iraq, and the pain of waiting is coming to an end. Guru Montgoat. I have to tell you the currency rate of 6 of a penny IQD 1320 USD 1 absolutely does not reflect the currency rate of the dinar. It is being artificially suppressed. But most importantly, many other financial wizards much more knowledgeable than I also feel this way to make a very good comparison. One only needs to compare Iraq to Kuwait to see the imbalance and inequity happening. KWD 1 USD 3.45 Intel Guru Bruce via Wiser. Now Iraq did not put their new rates on the dinar in their Gazette, their official document called the Gazette, which is a major publication day Wednesdays and Saturdays. But according to our contacts in Iraq, they should be putting in Saturday's Gazette, so we'll see what happens. The Patriotic Union of Kurdistan parliamentary bloc called on the government to expedite the drafting of the oil and gas law, which has been pending since 2005. Noting that legislating the law is the only way to end the disputes between the region and the center. The bloc spokeswoman Suzanne Mansour said in an interview with the Maluma agency, the oil and gas law since 2005 has not seen the light of day, which hinders any efforts to end the crises between Baghdad and Bibal. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.